Broadcast Jamaican now gear the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The police report say one man dead and them find 13 gun where people not have no license for after them do some operation in a Tree parish. The Police Federation said them are going to meet with them members today for talk about the new wage and fringe benefit where them get from the Ministry for Finance for the 2021-2022 financial year. The Lotto Scam Task Force in a Cambridge St. James lock up a woman yesterday after them do an operation. The Costa Rican Football Federation say a lie the Jamaica Football Federation JFF medical committee tell say 2 players who test positive for COVID-19 play Wednesday night. Now for the full tour of them. The police report say 1 man dead and them find 13 gun of people not have no license for after them do some operation in a Tree parish. The police said the man who dead named Kevin Carpenter and him get killed in a one shootout with them in a Florence housing scheme. The police say Carpenter involved in a one criminal network were run in a Kingston, St. Anne, St. Mary and Trelawney. On top of that, the police said the operation start in a St. Mary, then Trelawney, then St. James, where them find the gun them in a one gated community. The Police Federation said them are going to meet with them members today for talk about the new wage and fringe benefit what them get from the Ministry for Finance for the 2021-2022 financial year. Corporal Rowan James, or the chairman for the Federation, said them get the latest offer Monday. Him said them are going to talk with them members first before they make no decision. The Federation did say them not take the government 4% wage offer. The Lotto Scam Task Force in a Cambridge St. James lock up a woman yesterday after them do an operation. The police said them find enough lead sheet to have on people name and address and some other things. The Jamaica Constabulary Force put on them Twitter page one video where the woman did in a one black blouse and blue jeans and the police did uncuff her. The police said them lock up and charge 2 wanted man. The man them are 36 years old Gerald McNaughton and 23 years old Fitzroy James. The 2 of them come from St. James. Mr. McNaughton get charged for kill Smaddy, for hurt people out of spite and for shot Smaddy. Mr. Jones get charged for kill Smaddy and for hurt Smaddy out of spite. According to Fitzbailey, or the Deputy Commissioner for Police who in charge of crime, them are look for more than 200 people in the country for crime where go up across the island. The police said them a beg people for report wanted man to the police pan 119 or Crime Stop pan 311. Smaddy chop up 63 years old Madeline Sullivan in a Buxton Town, Wakefield district in a St. Catherine. According to the report from the Linstead police, around 1 in the morning, Madeline and her husband did asleep when them hear a sound outside and the husband go look. Smaddy chop the husband in him face. Him ball out and people come and them find the wife in her bed chop up all over her body. People carry the 2 of them go hospital where Madeline dead. The police said them are looking at what go on. Now for sports. The Costa Rican Football Federation say a lie the Jamaica Football Federation JFF medical committee tells the 2 players who test positive for COVID-19 play Wednesday night. Dr. Guyan R. Scott, or the chairman for the JFF medical committee, said the 2 players who test positive play Wednesday night and 3 other players who never play test positive too. But the Costa Rican Football Federation said all of the players did clear based on what the CONCACAF rule them say. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.